Here's what ambers look like on Oxford white. This is an 01 GT, but I'm sure people will think it's an 01 Cobra like that. Looks pretty cool. These ones, my friends, these are original Ford. All right, amber taillights on the GT. 2 valves can have them now.